Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery step by step clearly. To activate Discovery, start by launching the app on your device. If you don't have the app installed, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, look for the login screen. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you are a new user, select the Sign Up option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information. After signing in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Settings option, usually found in the corner of the screen. Tap on Settings to open the menu. In the Settings menu, find the Discovery section. Select Activate Discovery to proceed. You may need to enter a code to complete this step. If prompted, obtain the activation code from your email or account notification. Enter the activation code in the designated field. Once you enter the code, click on the Activate button. Wait for the confirmation message to appear. After activation, return to the main menu. Explore the new features available under Discovery. Enjoy your enhanced experience with the activated Discovery feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.